Okay, this is Adam Beam, reporter with the state newspaper, and I'm here with John Dooley, the Director of Utilities and Engineering for the City of Columbia. We're here at Columbia's Metropolitan Wastewater Treatment Plant, which is probably just off 77. You probably see the smiley-faced, what would you call that?
It's a gas sphere.
Smiley-faced gas sphere when you're driving on 77. And what's going on behind us here, John?
Well, right behind us are the raw screw pumps. They lift all the wastewater that comes to the plant up into the plant.
Now, when you say wastewater, what do you mean by that?
The raw wastewater from businesses and homes in our service area. There are two main lines that feed the plant. There's a 60-inch line that runs parallel to the Congaree River, and the second line is a 54-inch line that comes from the Gills Creek drainage area.
Can you show us what they look like here?
Sure. Okay, we have four 20 million gallon a day screw pumps. I think if you look at the pump, you can understand why they're called a screw pump. Screw pumps are used to lift a high volume, relatively low head into the plant. What these screws are really doing is lifting up the raw wastewater into our preliminary treatment, which is grit removal and screenings removal.
Okay. And you have some plans to replace these, right?
We do. We have plans completed, and we hope to advertise within the next 2 weeks for a major upgrade of our pumping facilities here at Metro. We will relocate this area. This particular area is called the headworks of the plant. So we'll relocate these pumping facilities, the bar screens, grit removal facilities, to the eastern side of the treatment plant.
Right.
There's several features to this. The one feature is we get it out of essentially the middle of the treatment plant, because we've got an awful lot of truck traffic that comes through this area, and it's destroying the roads that we've got in the plant. So that'll be moved to the eastern side of the plant. The only trucks that will come in then will be those trucks, the grit removal, or the trucks that haul the grit off, screenings off, and also we accept waste from grease haulers and septic tank haulers. So that'll all be relocated.
And what will it do for as far as the plant's capacity?
It will increase the plant's capacity. Actually, will increase the plant's capacity to 150 million total
gallons per day.
Gallons per day, and that will be.
And what's the capacity right now?
80 million gallons per day.
And what's the benefit of having increased capacity?
Well, it will allow us to expand the capacity of the plant in the future with additional treatment units. We have room for one more treatment unit just north of our existing treatment facilities. And
will it help stop a lot of these overflows we've been hearing a lot about lately?
It will. One of the reasons that we've had overflows in the past is we've just not had enough capacity to handle wet weather flows that come at us periodically during the year. And when we can't handle when we can't handle the flows that are coming to the plant, the wastewater backs up in those two lines that I was telling you about, the Congaree outfall and the Gills Creek outfall. So this new facility will give us the capacity to divert flows during those wet weather situations into our equalization basin, which is on the north side of the plant.
And how much will all this cost?
Our estimate right now is 40 million gallons.
And
$40 million. We hope that with this bidding climate right now that the bids will be substantially lower than that.
And where does this compare to the sewer projects you've done in the past?
This will be the single largest project that we have undertaken at Columbia Metro.
Right. Thanks a lot, John.